Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here. I have another update on what is happening actually with Super Typhoon Mawar. As we speak, we have a very strong storm heading towards Guam. I'm going to show you in a little bit a zoomed in version of the satellite imagery so you can see how close it's getting to the island. But right now, Super Typhoon Mawar has a pressure of 923 millibars. It has winds of roughly 155 miles an hour. Its location is 12.2 north and 146.1 east. And let's do a zooming on the satellite imagery so you guys can see how dangerous this situation is pulling up to be as it gets closer to the island of Guam. Now, where is Guam? Well, Guam is right there where you guys see the blue circle. And right now, it is heading straight to Guam. Now, one thing I'm noticing, especially in the latest satellite imagery, is that it looks like the super typhoon is actually weakening. Now, it could be because it may be going through a eye wall replacement cycle. So what ended up happening is, you guys can see in the beginning of the frame how the eye looks very defined, and it gradually gets more opaque and it kind of closes. Well, when storms get at a certain intensity, when they get very strong, it gets to a point that it can only hold on to that strength for so long before going through the eye wall replacement cycle. And basically what it is, the original eye wall collapses, loses a little bit of strength, but then if it still has enough time, it will re-intensify again, and the eye will will open up again and gain more speed. So what ends up happening is, as it weakens, if the timing is right and the super typhoon actually it loses its strength, or a good amount of strength, as it's making landfall, that's good news for Guam. Now, if that's going to happen, we will have to see. Because if we're talking about, this is probably going to be, tonight event. I mean, it's 2:09 p.m. in the eastern coast here in the United States. So probably, let's say within the next under 12 hours for sure, this storm is actually going to be making landfall in Guam, in the Pacific island of Guam. So let's hope that it continues its cycle, it keeps weakening. But what you guys see here, all this pink showing up, I mean, that is very strong winds right now, and really high cloud tops is what they call it. So they're very cold and indicative that the storm is really powerful. I mean, this storm is just massive. Again, just so you have a size comparison, that right there is Guam. I mean, you can see that probably almost the whole eye wall is going to be the size of the whole island, a little bit less. But it is it's looking very ominous for Guam. If anybody's watching this video from Guam, you guys need to be done with your preparations. I mean, you're already getting bands, probably tropical storm winds right now as we speak. So now is the time to just hunker down for the next probably 12 to 24 hours. This is the update I wanted to show with everybody. I wanted to share with everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and have a good day.